Another week here at the shop. We got some things going on. It's not as hectic as it usually is, which I am all for, having a little change of pace. We got a Tesla Model S Plaid in here that we had done PPF on a couple years ago. Front bumper is having some issues, so under warranty we're taking care of it. So that one's going to be done here shortly. We got a GMC AT4 that we had done a ceramic coating on a year ago. It's here for its annual inspection. We just did his dad's vehicle. That one already left for this morning. That badass lifted trucks F250 is back in the shop. Now it's getting a bed cover, some color match work, and some chrome deleting. Just to make it look good. I mean, I think it can kind of make that truck go from here to like right here. The GMC Sierra single cab is back in the shop. This one's gonna get taken apart for some color matching. It's also getting the lift done, and I can't remember, it already got the interior done. But look at the interior. It's red, if you can't tell. Yeah. Also, Tesla Model Y got dropped off this weekend. We had done this one, I think, a year or two back. It got color matched fender flares before and some Highland bronze powder coated wheels. 3 out of 4 got curb rash, so just getting those fixed. And in the corner, yeah, that's my new car. I like it. Of course, me being me, I can't leave cars stock. So factory, the car comes with 22s. I'm leaving 22s on there for right now. I'm leaving these wheels on here for right now. My lowering links are on their way, so once I get those in, I'll get this car lowered. But in the meantime, I put the spacers on. We're about to get it tinted. I'm gonna take the factory tint off and put some new stuff on there. Back in the shop, we got a bunch of stuff came in yesterday after Logan left me. But we got Vic's Porsche 911 here, well, his wife's 911, ready for a full change up. We're changing the wheel color, changing the whole wrap color, changing the decal color, doing some more like reinforcements on the wing and everything. A lot of people think this is a GT3. It's not a GT3, it's actually a Carrera S. We did the GT3 wing on it, the full Maxton design kit on it, lowered it, the wheels on it. This is probably one of the only 911s out there with 22s in the rear, and they fit perfectly fine, they ride perfectly fine. So we also have a Hellcat Red Eye here, jailbreak. This one, we're still debating what we were gonna do. He's planning on either, he doesn't know if he's gonna keep it or get rid of it. So if he does keep it, we'll probably do some exhaust, stripes, lower it, call it a day. We had done some Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's on this prior, well, on his Challenger Hellcat, he put them on here. But yeah, that one's, we're still up in the air waiting for the customer to decide what he wants to do. The F250 that we had stripped apart, that one is just waiting now. The rest of the chrome delete's done. So once everything comes back from paint, we'll get that put back together, send it on its way. Mo's in the back, lifting the single cab Sierra 1500. I think he's done with the rear, he's almost done with the front. So as soon as he's done, we can get everything else stripped, get that thing color matched, and kind of get it done. We got Norris out here washing the Tesla Model S. We just replaced the front bumper PPF on. He's gonna get that thing cleaned up, get it dry. We still got to ceramic coat that front bumper again, just because the whole vehicle was ceramic coated the last time. And then we got, what, a Suburban coming in today for a full chrome delete. In fact, I think they just got here. So yeah, and then if you look at the door, look who's late. All right, another day here at the shop. We got a lot of stuff going on. That's a bottle. Suburban's getting the chrome delete done right now. We got to get the wheels off, get those powder coated and the calipers painted. The X3M is on the left behind Logan here, getting one wheel repaired, and then we got to do PPF on it and ceramic coated. It already got paint corrected yesterday. We got a C8 Corvette that we've had in here, I think in one of the videos a few weeks ago, getting the whole lip kit installed. So side skirts are on right now, front lips going on next. Then we got to pull the rear bumper, get the high wing installed. So that one will be done shortly. Hellcat's getting cleaned up, ready for stripes. We got a customer's expedition here. He had ordered tires from us. He had bought some wheels from Facebook Marketplace. And of course, the ones from Facebook Marketplace required 40 ounces of weight to balance it. So we told him we're not putting those on there. We found some new wheels for him. So he's gonna go home today on his factory wheels, come back tomorrow, get his new wheels installed on his new tires, and that one will be done. We got my buddy Ellie's M4 comp in the background. That one's here for a front lip install and windshield tint install. Ellie, quit buying so many damn cars, bro. What do we have outside? We got a new GMC 1500 Denali outside. That one's getting a 6-inch lift, chrome delete, top half wrap, and wheels and tires. What else? We got Vic's single cab outside. That one's already stripped, ready for color matching. The lift is done. Wheels and tires are on. That lift is badass. But yeah, we got a few more things to do on that one. And then his truck will be ready. What else do we have outside? I think that's it. Yeah, that's about it. Not too crazy of a week, but there's still a lot of stuff going on. So back again. We got a lot of updates going for you guys. Hellcat Red Eye is getting the lowering springs installed. I think he's on the last one. Stripes got to get finished up. Then that's got to go for alignment, get another wash, and then be done. The BMW X3M PPF is almost done. We got to ceramic coat it, and then that one's done. Suburban wheels are back. Window trim, all the chrome delete's pretty much done. We just got to reassemble it and be done with this one. We got another Yukon Denali in from Demontron GMC. This one's gonna get wheels, tires, wrap, chrome delete, the usual. The F250 is getting put back together right now. There's a couple pieces that need to be redone, so our painter is gonna get that done and dropped off tomorrow morning. Same with the Suburban. We got another GMC Denali on the lift. That one's getting a 6-inch lift, wheels, tires, chrome delete, top half wrap, the usual. Wheels came in today. One's for the Expedition from yesterday, and one is for our buddy Vic for his RS E-Tron, or E-Tron GT, sorry, not RS. We have his single cab outside. We're waiting for parts to come back for that. What else do we have? I don't even know. I'm lost. I'm tired. I know some of you guys out there that have newborns. It's hard. It really is. And I sympathize with you guys now that I have my own. But yeah, so hopefully Logan will get some vlog style content going today, so you guys have some more fun content to watch than just looking at my pretty face all day. But yeah, we'll see what happens. All right. Friday here, it's a good day, even though it's raining, but we're getting stuff done. Vic's E-Tron, he just threw it on me and said, hey, we need to get this done today. So we said, okay, let's get it done. Lowered on some lowering links, some Roadforce Rf35'S, 22s, 22x9s, 22x10.5s, full Maxton Lip Kit on there, including the little rear spoiler for right now. But it came out nasty. Like, this thing looks sick and sinister in black, especially with the silver wheels. It just looks right. We got the black Suburban murdered out. That one's ready to go. Customer should be here soon to pick it up. Vic's Porsche is here, stripped down, ready to get wrapped. I think there's a couple more things we gotta take off on here before we actually start the wrap. His single cab, all his painted pieces went out today. We got another IPL get dropped off for a bumper repair. Someone else wrapped it. One of my dealer buddies bought it. Needs that front bumper rewrapped, so we're gonna knock that out for him. And let's go check inside, see what else we got. All right, F250 getting wrapped up right now. Final little touches and some polishing, and this thing is ready to go. We got a Yukon XL right behind Logan here. This one is getting a satin black wrap, murdered out, kind of like the short body Yukon we just did a couple weeks ago. This one's gonna look good too, because it's a long body Yukon Denali. You know, the regular soccer mom vehicle, but we're gonna make it less soccer mommy. Easy's Camry getting a new battery in it. That one should be out of here pretty shortly. The Hellcat lowered, stripes are on, getting a couple touch-ups on the stripes, aligned. This one's ready to go, probably gonna get picked up tomorrow morning. The Silverado, that one is completely stripped. Wrap is started. We're gonna redo a couple pieces because we didn't like the finish on it. I think some part of the roll was a little bit messed up, so putting some new wrap on there. And then the Silverado, or Sierra behind Logan here, this one's waiting on the lift kit. Wheels and tires are already mounted, balanced, ready to get on there too. That one's getting a chrome delete, wheels, tires, lift, and top half wrap. But yeah, that's it for the week. takes you longer than 3 minutes to shit, you're not ready to shit yet. Hello, is this thing on?
What the fuck? No, I'm just joking.